Ubiquitous. Meaning. Seeming to be everywhere at once. Sentence. Smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern life. In the city, the sound of traffic is ubiquitous. Elucidate. Meaning. To explain something very clearly. Sentence. Could you elucidate the main points of the report? The diagram helped to elucidate the complex process. Pragmatic. Meaning. Dealing with problems in a sensible, practical way. Sentence. Her pragmatic approach to the budget saved money. Let's be pragmatic and choose the simplest solution. Quintessential. Meaning. The most perfect or typical example. Sentence. This cafe is the quintessential Parisian experience. He is the quintessential professional. Ambiguous. Meaning. Having more than one meaning, not clear. Sentence. His instructions were ambiguous, so we were confused. The movie's ending is deliberately ambiguous. Concur. Meaning. To agree with someone. Sentence. I completely concur with your analysis. The committee members concurred on the decision. Alleviate. Meaning. To make something less severe or painful. Sentence. This medicine will alleviate your headache. We need a plan to alleviate traffic congestion. Coherent. Meaning. Logical, clear, and easy to understand. Sentence. She gave a coherent argument that convinced everyone. He was shocked and couldn't give a coherent statement. Epitome. Meaning. A perfect example of a quality or type. Sentence. This design is the epitome of modern luxury. He is the epitome of a great leader. Nuance. Meaning. A very slight difference in meaning or feeling. Sentence. The nuance of her performance was incredible. You need to understand the nuance of the law. Resilient. Meaning. Able to recover quickly from difficulty. Sentence. Children are often more resilient than we think. The resilient economy bounced back after the crisis. Validate. Meaning. To prove something is true or make it officially acceptable. Sentence. The results validate our original theory. You need a stamp to validate your parking ticket. Ephemeral. Meaning. Lasting for a very short time. Sentence. The beauty of a sunset is ephemeral. Fashion trends are often ephemeral. Facilitate. Meaning: to make an action or process easier. Sentence: new software will facilitate online payments. Her role is to facilitate discussion between groups. Diligent. Meaning: showing care and constant effort in one's work. Sentence: she is a diligent student who finishes work on time. Their diligent research led to a discovery. Enhance. Meaning: to improve the quality or value of something. Sentence: adding fresh herbs can enhance the flavor of any dish. The course is designed to enhance your professional skills. Initiative. Meaning: the ability to assess and act independently, the first step. Sentence: she showed great initiative by solving the problem. A new government initiative aims to promote recycling. Lucid. Meaning: very clear and easy to understand. Sentence: he gave a lucid explanation of a complicated topic. After sleep, my thoughts were much more lucid. Comprehensive. Meaning: complete, including all or nearly all elements. Sentence: this guide provides a comprehensive overview. The insurance policy offers comprehensive coverage. Implications. Meaning: the possible results or consequences of an action. Sentence: consider the environmental implications of this project. The implications of his statement were very serious.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.